I hear you've been coughing up blood. You've been doing a good job of hiding that from me.
Never figured that boy to be a damn snitch. Gotta mind his own business.
This ain't about Daryl, Pop. It's about your health, man. I've seen your coughing fits, and they're getting worse.
Coughing fits ain't never killed no one.
Pop! Pop!
What?
What if it's a symptom of something more dangerous?
Don't you know about mind your own store? You're always trying to save everyone. You're gonna run yourself in the ground sooner or later. Try worrying about yourself, son.
Don't do that. Don't you try and make this about me.
Look, I'm an old man, and one day you're gonna understand that the future ain't always bright.
Is that why you decided to come back home? Because you want to try and fix the past, make up for your mistakes while you still can?
I made my peace with all of that.
Well, some of us haven't.
Don't put your mind at ease. You've come to the wrong place.